Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do a little quickie savings challenge stuffing. I am excited. So let's get the money. I'll tell you where it's from and we will get going. So I have $46 here, and this actually comes from an Amazon payout for my book sales. I got this at the end of December. And this was for probably October, I think. I think it's 2 months behind. So thank you so much. I am so overjoyed that you guys are liking my books. And yeah, just thank you so much, because obviously without you all, this stuffing would not be possible. So I have $46. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 46, and I do have some extra 5s and 10s over there off screen that I might condense this down a little more depending on how much I put in each envelope, but I didn't want to get large bills right from the get-go and have to get change. So the name of the game today, it's only $46. I want to try to make some progress towards some of these Christmas challenges because, as you know, Christmas is over now. And yeah, I want to get them done. So we're going to start here with this one. This is for medical. Ooh, actually, I think I could finish this one today. I believe there was only $8 left. Somebody actually said that I put in too much last time. I think I put 18 instead of 10, and I think that's why I am ahead with this. So if these add up to more than 8, I'm just going to put in however much to get to 50, if that makes sense, because this is a $50 challenge. This is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. So let me get my scratcher. And let's see what we have. So we have a 4. And yes, on these laminated challenges, I do like to scratch everything. This challenge, oh my gosh, it's just the absolute cutest. And a 5, so that's 9. But again, I am ahead by like $8. So, well, that's not right. I don't know, you guys. And a 7. So we're just gonna see how much we already have and then put in whatever the rest is to make 50. And that's what we're gonna do. Let me get my vacuum. All right, so that's vacuumed up. Let's see what we have. 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So yeah, 8. It seems like I was even more ahead in this. I don't know what I did, to be honest, but it's fine. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and now this should be 50. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Perfect. So $50 to go into medical. Yay! And I already have my next challenge lined up. This is a new game that just hit my shop today. Today is Monday, January 6th. And I do have a video coming out today with my newest Etsy products. So you will see, if you're wanting details on this game, you will see it in that video. Obviously, this video that I'm filming right now is going to air after that. So this is for medical. I better put a note for myself because y'all know I will definitely forget. Okay, so let me grab a pen here. Medical 50, and I will stuff this at another time. I'm not going to stuff it right now. And there we go. Okay, next, let's see, we have the pet challenge, which I do want to do some on here. I would love to leave a couple dollars and put it in vacation, but I don't think I'm going to. I want to try to get these Christmas challenges out of here. So grab your balls, it's Christmas. This is from Danny over at Craftco Budgets. And let's maybe do 2, let's see, 4 and a 3. So 7. Ooh, I feel like I want to do one more. Yeah, we're gonna do one more. So that's 7, and 1 is 8. Let's go again. And 5. So that's 13. Geez, I feel like I want to go even one more time. All right, let's hope this is a 1. It's a 2. I'll take it. And then next time we only have 3 left, so maybe, hopefully, we can finish this next time. So we're going to put 15 in, 5, 10, 15. And even though that's a lot for this one challenge, I want to get this done. I still need to schedule her annual exam. She is due now. And I just have not called to schedule it. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, and even 40. So this is a $50 challenge. We only have 10 more dollars to go. So I think that should be doable for next time. Okay, school. This is Out Here Looking Like a Snack. This is also by my girl Danny, another $50 challenge. Now this one, I'm just gonna do 1 or 2 because even though it's a Christmas challenge and I wanna get it done, school is not really a priority. So 4, I guess we'll go one more time, a 2. Okay, so we'll put $6 in here. I'm good with that. So 5 and 6. And I was thinking, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 out of 50. So quite a ways to go on this one, but that's okay. So the other day at work, I was talking with some of my friends and they were talking about braces. And I already know 100% without a doubt that Rowan is going to need braces. Probably Ivy too, but Rowan absolutely, definitely. He's 6, he's about to be 7. So it might be like within the next year or 2, I don't know. But I need to start saving for that. And I was gonna do a separate challenge, but I'm like, I'm already saving for like a kid fund, even though it's called school. I technically just use it for anything related to the kids. So I think, you know, I might need to start more aggressively saving in the school fund because obviously those are thousands and thousands of dollars. And so, yeah. Okay, consignment sale, emergency. Let's do some on emergency here. And I don't know, maybe we'll do 1 happy birthday card. I don't know. Let's see. We have this little $15 challenge from Ellie on Earth, and we have Scratch My Balls by Sarah over at Beauty Mom Budgets. So let's do a couple. So we have a 3 and a 2 for 5, and then let's go up here. So that's a 3 for 8 and a 4 for 12. So let's put 12 in all together. Actually, that might be all the money. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna just take a 10 and 2 1s. Just switch that out real quick. And so all together, these add up to 45. And we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So just about halfway there on that. And let's see what else we have. We have maybe around $5 left, so not much. I am thinking... What am I thinking? What do I want to do? Do I want to put it in vacation? All right, I think I'm just going to come back here to school and just put the rest in here. There is a chance I won't have an IOU, and because we have so many to go on this one, I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's see if we could just at least finish this side. I don't know, though. There's a 1. And a 5, so that's 6, and that might be all the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have an IOU of 1. I'm fine with that. And at least we made a little more progress here on this one. So let me grab an IOU slip really quick. I just happen to have this one right here, and let's put a 1 on here. And there we go. So that was my little mini savings challenge stuffing. I'm happy to have made some more progress towards these Christmas challenges to try to get them out of here. I do have some other new challenges lined up that I will be starting hopefully in my next savings challenge stuffing. So yeah, I am excited to do that. I get paid this week, so I'll be filming that later this week. Check out the Etsy video that dropped 2 days ago if you're interested in seeing the new Etsy products. And I will, again, as I said, have a cash stuffing coming up. That will be the next video out. So that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.